Na Rympei U Hynñiewtrep paidbah Bri U Hynñiewtrep.
Bu jing kali uba adalbert mentaka step halor ka jing set lani Khang kata Surok na Bimola she tem Mawlong na mental an reusnem ki kali kimyo shubania nyang tu bat kalapen long ya kata jing theng kali hakaleng kanong ba shilong tanaw ka benta katu ka jing set ya kani ka Surok bu labo ikani ka jing kali yo ba sne balang dhar baka Sorkar kan le ayu bat kala le ayu halor kani baru ba sne balang ula jubab da ka baom bangidang pej ikani ka kam ban in sa jubab no halor daladep ban pej benia ikani ka kam.
That one of the main cause of traffic congestion around Mawlong area is because there is no free flow of vehicle on the road through Them Mawlong. And that is because of the barricade placed at Bimola junction for more than 6 years now. May I know from the Honorable Minister what is the mind of the government about in regards to this barricade? What reason you are erecting this barricade till date?
So about this, we had a meeting last month about this. So I think shortly we'll be taking a call as a government on these issues.
Hadin bomyo ya ka jubab ka bashay uba adalbert ula ban biang ya kani ka jingli how deputy chief minister uba preston tensong da ka baong mo ula ya kendo bar uba preston tensong nyau prabanai menshwa ban ya kren halor kani kamat na marla Khang dambe ya kani ka Surok na Bimola sha Them Mawlong na marka kata shikat dai e ya ki Bri U ki bayat bat bayeng bat ru khamtam bakapen wan ra ya kata ka jing theng kali ha kan nong ba shillong bat ru ong bawdeu local MLA bat kadika area jong u du kwa ai ka jing shai baka Sorkar kan ne kumnu wat lau ba preston hakmat jong ba adalbert ula dep phone yo DC hakatu ka por ban kren chapang kani kamat bat ban le ai hakata ka nyau prabanai menshwa henry halor kani uba adalbert ula kwa ai ka jubab ka bashay na ba preston ba ka Sorkar kamut ban le ayu halor kani ka kamram na marka por kanang yat henry ka Surok kampat la bat Plie haduk Mynta.
So may I get a specific clarification from Honorable Minister? Because I remember last 7-8 months back, I had personally met you, Deputy Chief Minister, President and Song in this chamber. So in this very same regards, how to remove that barricade. My demand is that because I'm the local MLA of that constituency, because I have seen that it is useless. It is meaningless for putting that barricade, as the government itself is not the problem solver, but it is a problem creator. Because of that reason, so in that very day when I met Deputy Chief Minister, he had make a phone call and have a conversation with respected DC. So he had conversation in front of me. I don't know what decision has been taken, but now 7 months. So now again, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister had give a promise, his promise, but I don't know whether that promise will come to reality or not. Please give a specific assurance. What is the mind of the government?
Halor kani ka jingkali jong ba red adalbert uba preston den song ula jubab da ka baong bohot kani ka jingkali jong ba adalbert bat ka jing snok khia jong u kadai kabashong nong rim baroh uba preston ulong ba kani ka jaka kadai kabadan ya kata ka jingjia kabalajia kini kisnem gi baladep nakata ka daw kadon ka jing e ban Plie ya kani ka Surok nrei wala katar ulong ba ula batha ya UDSP bat ya ki board district ban pej benia ya kani ka kam bat ka jing kren kaladon Mynta ban la ban Plie no ya kani ka Surok ba ula ong ro da ka ban biang ban ong ba ngirung ikwa kum ka Sorkar bangin la ban Plie no ya kani ka Surok kanang bakan yat bah ka kali bat ban duna kata ka deheng kali hakeleng ka Sor shilong.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. I think the honourable member from Shillong North, yes, he has already shown his concern, even the concern of the government, because the traffic is so much towards Mawlong and then even to Mawlong side. So recently, yes, we had a meeting. And sir, it is not only the government alone where we can just say open it up. But we need also a detailed inputs, because this one link also with law and order problem. So we have already instructed the district administration and then the SPs, where ultimately I think very soon they will give us all the details input, and we would like to make sure that the entry of that stretch be made open as early as possible.